Hello，大家，我哋終於嚟到2025年嘅最後一條啦。咁佢係一條 incomplete records 嚟嘅，但係信我啦，呢一條係我見過出 section C 最簡單嘅 incomplete 啊。因為咧好慘啊，我覺得 incomplete 咧其實喺我讀即係 BFS 嘅時候咧，我係好驚呢一課啦，覺得好難啦。但係咧而家咧即係新嘅 syllabus 咧，佢已經將 incomplete 咧變得相對嚟講簡單，即係好多以前要我哋自己逼出嚟嘅數，例如 inventory loss 啊、cash loss 咧。而家佢都即係俾埋個數你，咁所以就簡單咗好多。咁所以咧就如果你揀咗呢條，即係呢一年揀咗呢條嘅同學仔，其實好着數嘅，即係佢冇咁多伏嘅位啦。我哋第八條其實都唔係好多伏嘅位啦，咁相對嚟講簡單，就係咁。我哋即刻開始啦。咁咧佢題目咧就要求我哋做三樣嘢：bank account、income statement 同埋 statement of financial position 啦。咁就即係好 typical，我哋要開 T account 去逼啲數咁樣啦。咁我哋一齊望下啦。咁咧，Tony 咧佢就係賣咖啡機嘅，咁就喺12月31號嘅時候咧，就發生咗一個搶劫啦。咁所以佢嘅夾萬同埋 some of the coffee machine，即係佢有啲 inventory 就 stolen 咗啦，即係有啲錢啦，有啲錢同埋有啲貨俾人偷咗啦。咁咧，以下就係佢年頭嘅 balance 啦。咁所以直接佢俾咗 bank 我哋啦，已經咁我哋即刻寫咗個 bank 先喺2024年嘅即係我哋嘅1月1號啦。1月1號嘅時候咧，balance board 單我哋個 bank 係三，excuse me，340500啦，寫咗落嚟先。跟住咧，balance of trade receivables accounts 呢個係 balance carry down 嘅金額嚟嘅，就 confirm 係32萬啦。Average trade receivables collection period 咧係1.5個 months。咁咧佢俾咗呢個數我哋咧，但係順便考埋我哋嗰個 ratio，仲記唔記得條式啦？Average trade receivable collection period 咧條式係 average trade receivable 除翻 credit sales 啦。乘翻，因為 months 乘以12咧，就會係1.5個 months 啦。咁咧，我哋係有 average trade receivable 嘅，因為我哋已經有年頭同埋年尾啦嘛。咁我哋可以逼埋個 credit sales 係幾多啦？我哋一次過做埋啦。average trade receivable 即係280,000加32,000除以2 over 翻 sales credit sales 乘12等於1.5。咁你調翻啲位啦，1.5除12，跟住0.12780,000加32,000除二，即係55,000 over credit sales 等於1.5除翻12係0.125啦。55,000除翻呢一個數咧，我哋就會揾到 credit sales。credit sales 係44,000啦，我哋已經逼到。OK，下一步，all purchase were made on credit and amount due to supplier，即係呢一個咧係 trade payable 嘅 balance carry down 啦，就係185,000啦。trade payable turnover 係10.5 times，咁咧呢一個又係第二條式咯噃。trade payable turnover 咧就係調翻轉啦，credit purchase。除翻 average 嘅 trade payable，跟住冇啦，等於10.5。咁 average trade payable 我哋又係有嘅 credit purchase，除翻 average trade payable 咧就係我哋上面啦，175,000加睇下先，年尾係185,000除以2等於10.5啦。咁我哋直接計埋啦。175,000加185,000除10.5除翻呢一個，咦？乘啊，sorry，175,000加185,000除以10.5乘 answer，咁所以 credit purchase 咧就會係189,000啦。咁呢個係等我哋後邊做 income statement 嘅時候咧，我哋會有需要用到呢個位嘅。OK，好。 做到啦，咁以下呢一啲嘢咧就係做咗喺 bank account 入邊啦。咁咧我哋入咗啲佢俾我哋嘅數先，即係例如 cash deposit in bank 係嗰啲嘢啦。啊不過佢有 refer to note three，咁我哋睇埋呢個 note 先。It is the firm's practice to keep the cash received from cash sales in the safe。Sorry。咁嚟講咧。我哋咧 cash sales 嘅現金咧，全部都會入落夾萬噶啦。咁跟住咧，我哋就喺last day of each month 每個月嘅最後一日咧，我哋就會將成筆錢咧就去存入去銀行。咁但係咧，Tony failed to deposit the amount into the bank on 12月31號，即係12月嗰筆嘅 cash sales 嘅錢咧就冇存入銀行入邊嘅。跟住咧，total cash kept in the safe at the time of cash of the burglary was 350,000，咁就呢個就係個 cash loss 啦。咁換言之咧，呢33萬嘅錢咧，其實全部都係來自於 cash sales 嘅，即係頭嗰11個月嘅 cash sales 啦。OK，咁所以我哋要或者係啦，你 aware 到呢33萬係11個月嘅 cash sales 啦。咁而我哋最後12月嘅 sales 就係350,000，因為 Tony 冇存入去銀行。OK，咁所以我哋 total 嘅 cash sales 個金額咧就會係330,000加翻350,000啦，330加350，368,500啦，你提自己呢樣嘢。OK，好，咁咧就咁我哋入翻先啦。啊，我哋原來咧有呢33萬咧喺現金嗰度存入去嘅，即係對於我哋個 bank 嚟講。咁跟住再落啦，第6項，During the year, Tony withdraw 85,000 from the safe for his own use。OK，咁所以咧，我哋 cash sales 咧，原來，哎呀，原來 Tony 咧唔單止即係將 cash sales 存咗入去佢嗰個夾萬入邊咧，原來佢自己都會攞錢走，咁所以我哋咧呢一度要加多85,000啊，因為原來 Tony 自己揞荷，即係佢揞咗公司啲錢自己用，咁所以 total 咧我哋嘅 cash sales 要加埋呢85,000啦，453,500，OK，咁跟住我哋再落去啦。咁呢一個你提自己啦，我哋有一個 drawing 喺度啦。跟住咧，accounts clerk conducted a physical inventory count and confirmed coffee machine costing。OK，呢一個就係 inventory loss 啊。inventory loss confirm 咗64,000 were stolen and the cost of remaining inventory，呢一個就係我哋嘅 closing inventory 啦。OK。即係 remaining 啊嘛，即係我哋俾人偷咗之後，仲剩翻咁多，咁所以佢就會出現喺我哋 income statement 入邊嘅post inventory 嗰度啦。好，跟住咧，after negotiation, insurance company agree to partially compensate the firm's loss。咁咧就我哋自己承擔嗰部分咧，自己 bear 16,000啦，cash loss 7,000。咁呢一度咧，全部我哋直接入 expense 啦。佢連計都唔使你計啊，直接俾咗金額你啊，勁正呢位。跟住最後，insurance company agree to settle compensation in March。咁你自己要計啦，變相你自己計翻 insurance claim receivable 係幾多啦？OK，咁我哋睇翻啦。我哋咧知道我哋 total 嘅 loss 咧，inventory 我哋係 loss 咗64,000。而家我哋自己承擔嗰部分係16,000。咁即係64,000減翻自己承擔16,000，即係保險賠咗48,000啦。嗱，呢個係 infantry 嘅，而 cash 咧就係我哋損失咗嘅 cash 係385,000。嗱，呢個係 cash 啊。咁我哋保險賠翻，所以我哋自己承擔7,700，咁所以保險就係賠385,000減翻7,700，即係保險賠308,000啦。咁所以 total 嘅 insurance 係480,000加308,000。四，但係 insurance claim receivable 你應該會計到係788,000啦，送俾你咁啊！呢度已經俾咗，佢直接俾咗啲數你啊，你只係計少少咋？OK， 再落啦，第九項，in order to earn an interest return of 4% per annum 咧，Tony 就 instruct accounts clerk to set up a 6-month fixed deposit。OK，interest rate 係4% per annum 嘅。咁呢一個係你嘅 current asset 嚟嘅，即係你短期嘅定期存款啦。fixed deposit 咧會喺2025年2月嘅時候到期噶啦。你而家2024年啊嘛，唔夠一年嘅，咁所以佢係 current asset 嚟嘅。current asset。咁同埋 be careful 啦，佢係6個 months 啦，咁所以你 interest 嘅時候咧，你記得要乘翻6/12。咁如果唔係，你就會錯噶啦。咁呢個你要留意啦。咁啊，同埋咧，佢而家 mature on 2月1號，咁所以其實咧，而家幾多個月啊？2月1月，即係你有4個月嘅啫。咁所以你 sorry，你乘以4 over 翻，睇下先啊，唔係喎，4%，你係5個月啫，sorry，2月1號，即係你就係過咗1個月，咁所以要乘翻5個月啦。5個月 over 翻12啦，即係4% 係 per annum 啊，因為你只係得五個月啫。OK，5個月利息。咁最後 depreciation is provide on 25% using reducing balance method 啦。咁冇咩特別。咁我哋可以寫翻啦噃。OK。嗱，首先咧，我哋呢個 checks received from credit customer 係 unknown 嘅，咁因為我哋要做個 workings 啦。咁咧喺位置嘅關係咧，我寫喺呢度啦。我自己中意開T account 去揾翻啲 unknown 嘅 figures 嘅，咁就即係睇大家自己 preference 啦。咁咧 balance brought down trade receivables 咧，我知道係280,000啦。我知道 balance carry down 咧 confirm 係320,000啦。我知道 sales 係440,000啦。咁咧我就睇下先，計多次先啦。280,000加320,000除2會，我呢度 sorry 啊，我呢度錯咗，原來我呢個數已經錯咗，呢度應該係30萬，我撳錯機，my bad。跟住咧就所以係呢個乘過去啦，除翻0.12，所以 credit sales 係240,000，sorry，我數學有啲差，咁你幫我改翻 sales 呢度咧係240,000啦。咁跟住咧，我哋就可以逼到我哋 bank 俾咗幾多錢噶。OK，咁你包翻個數啦，加翻280,000，268,000啦，減翻320,000，咁你就會逼到咧係236,000啦。咁所以我哋呢個 T account 咧，我哋 from 我哋嘅 trade receivables 咧，trade receivables 咧，佢係俾咗236,000嘅。OK，咁跟住再入啦，payments 俾咗 operating expenses 啦，expenses 325,700啦，drawings，OK，除咗 drawings of goods，仲有 drawings of 錢啊喎，原來240,000，你提自己呢一個位啊，會好容易唔記得，即係我哋有呢個 drawings 同呢個 drawings，跟住 tax issue to supplier 又係啦，你又開翻個 trade payable 出嚟啦。trade payable balance brought down 係175,000啦，balance carry down 係睇下先，carry down 喺邊啊？啊上面 carry down 係150,000啦，跟住我哋知道個 purchase 係 180,000,000，咁所以又係可以逼翻個數出嚟啦。180,000,000加175,000,000206,500,000減185,000,000，咁呢個就係個 bank 個金額啦，1880。咁當然你做熟咗咧，你覺得我唔需要開呢個 T account，我已經慣咗要知道點樣計啦，你完全可以唔需要做呢一個 step 啦。咁呢一個就係我哋嘅 trade payables，佢俾咗180,000,000啦，跟住最後就係我哋存咗去 fixed deposit 啦，fixed deposit 存咗18萬，咁最後就逼翻個 carry down，咁所以呢度其實係冇乜懸念嘅 A part，應該都係就咁照抄翻啲嘢嘅啫，唔算係好複雜。303,050減翻32700減2400呢個，咁應該會計到404,800啦。咁呢個就係我哋 bank 嘅 balance carry down 啦。OK，A part 最大嘅障礙就係我自己撳錯機。OK，跟住我哋就再落啦。好，income statement 由 sales 開始啦。咁我哋其實一開頭已經計咗 credit sales 係24,000,000噶啦，跟住再加翻我哋頭先計咗嘅 cash sales 啦，就係你可以寫翻詳細啲條式嘅，就係我哋咧存入咗去，即係夾萬存入去銀行嗰33萬啦，再加翻385,000係12月咧你趕唔切入去銀行嗰筆錢啦，同埋咧最陰濕咧就係阿 Tony 自己本人都抽咗85,000蚊啦，咁所以你將佢哋全部加晒24,000加330加385,000加85,000，你就會得到係253,500。OK，呢個係 credit sales 啦，credit sales 呢一度係 cash sales。咁但係咧，因為我而家呢個簡化咗，我個 credit sales 係點得出嚟咧？係呢一個嚟嘅。咁大家到時咧，你唔好好似我咁寫 question paper 啊，你有呢啲 steps 咧，記得要寫喺 answer sheet 嗰度。如果唔係，你就會即係如果你撳錯機，好似我咁，萬一撳錯機，但係你寫咗啲 steps 喺 question paper 咧，人哋就唔會俾分你噶啦。咁所以你記得你要寫翻落你嘅 answer sheet 嗰度。OK，好，跟住咧，我哋就即係 sales 完咗啦，283,500啦。跟住咧，我哋就 less cost of goods sold opening inventory 啦，就係143,000 at purchase。咁咧佢就因為題目已經講咗咧，我哋 all purchase were made on credit，咁我哋就可以直接用我哋189,000個數啦，189,000加143,000。203,300啦，跟住咧我哋就 less inventory loss 啦，inventory loss，咁佢直接俾咗我哋噶啦，頭先 inventory loss 係64000啦，196,900，最後再減埋佢俾咗我哋嘅 closing inventory，係咪完全冇難度啊？完全冇晒以前嗰啲挑戰性，好傷心。減翻96,900 closing inventory 啦。咁你就會計到我哋 cost of goods 係187,210啦，253,500減翻呢個981,400 gross profit。咁跟住咧，佢係冇啊，唔係有啊，有 income 啊，因為我哋有個定期存款。咁咧，我哋就 add the revenue 啦。咁就係 interest income，就係頭先我提咗大家要小心個位，因為咧佢定期係唔足一年，咁所以你利息就冇理由咁着數有一年嘅利息㗎。咁100,000,000乘以4%，再乘翻嗱，望多次啦，6個月嘅 month deposit，咁但係你咧 mature 係2月1號，咁即係你有1個月咧，因為你而家24年嘅12月31號嘛，咁所以你1月係未發生嘅。好，咁跟住咧，我哋就計翻個 interest income 啦，就係100,000,000乘4%乘以5/12啦，咁就係3000。咁咧，我哋應該淨係得呢一個 interest income 嘅啫，咁你加翻去啦，咁就會計到係984,400啦，跟住 less 翻啲 expense 啊。咁我哋有啲咩 expenses 咧？我哋入咗嗰啲 loss 先啦，inventory loss 先啦，inventory loss 我哋自己承擔嗰部分16,000，cash loss 我哋自己承擔嗰部分7,700，你寫入去先啦。跟住咧，我哋再落啦，我哋咧係要計 depreciation 啦，depreciation 咁佢其實冇乜特別，即係 disposal 嗰啲就會好簡單噶啦，reducing balance method 25%，揾翻 furniture 先，furniture and fittings 係 furniture and fittings 800,000減翻170,000乘以25%啫，完全冇特別，純粹考你記唔記得 reducing balance method 條式啫，咁就係157,500咯。咁最後就係頭先你 bank 嗰度俾咗嘅 operating expenses，operating expenses，咁就係325,700咯。咁你4個 expense total 加埋佢啦，325,700加7700加1，咁就係唔係喎，等陣先，operating expenses 仲有多睇下先，cash loss inventory cash loss 啊，sorry，我漏咗呢一個位。呢度 prepay operating 呢一個係上年嘅 prepay，即係上年俾緊今年嘅錢，咁所以除咗我哋 bank 俾咗嘅錢之外咧，唉冇得咁正直接寫添，21500，你記得要加翻呢一個325,700入邊，即係因為上年 prepay 緊，即係今年嘅嘢，咁所以我加翻啦，21500加翻325,700。咁你等於係347,200加翻157,500加770加160，咁就應該計到噶啦，528,400啦，984,400咁呢就會計到456,000啦。咁呢個就係個 net profit 啦，就係咁。咁咧，我哋好快完成埋個 statement of financial position 先。咁又係啦，幫我寫翻 cost accumulated depreciation 同埋 net book value 啦，由 non-current asset 開始。咁咧，我哋好簡單啦，我哋寫咗個 furniture 先，furniture and fittings。好耐冇做過啲咁普通嘅 depre，咁就係個 cost 冇變啦，80萬。跟住 AD 係170,000加翻我哋啱啱今年計嗰個 depre，即係157,500，咁即係已經累積到去327,500啦。net book value 係472,500啦，跟住 current assets inventory 就係我哋 closing 個數啦，96900 trade receivables 就係頭先俾我哋連你 carry 單個數，trade receivables 係320,000啦，跟住我哋有 insurance claim receivables 啊，就係頭先我哋計咗78800啦，呢一度兩個 cash 再加 inventory 嗰個，跟住我哋有個6 month 嘅 fixed deposit 啦，又寫埋4% 嘅 fixed deposit 係冇啦，唔好寫4%啦，頭先 bank 都冇寫 fixed deposit，我哋係18萬啦，跟住咧就係睇下先。咁咧，而呢一個 interest 咧，係因為佢要 mature 嘅時候咧，我哋先可以收到個 interest income 嘅。即係如果你 recall 翻我哋喺 paper one 咧嗰個 term deposit 咧，我哋都要 mature 先收到個利息嘅。咁所以咧，我哋嗰5個月嘅 interest income 咧係一個叫咩啊？interest receivable 嚟嘅，interest income receivable 啦，即係我哋未收到嘅呢5個月嘅 interest。咁我哋咧。個 interest 係3000蚊啦，咁所以就寫翻3000蚊喺度，跟住最後就仲有個 bank 啦。頭先我哋計到 carry down 404800啦，bank 404800，咁咧我哋 cash 咧好不幸地全部錢俾人偷晒啦，咁所以我哋就冇需要喺呢一度寫啦。咁你數下夠唔夠346，346係啦。96900加320加7880加100加3000加40481083,500啦，跟住減翻 current liabilities 啦，咁包括就有 trade payables 啦。頭先我哋揾到 trade payables 係150,000啦，冇啦，得呢樣嘢啫。跟住我哋就落去呢個89850就係我哋嘅 net current assets 啦，加翻472,500 1371000啦。咁最後咧 financed by capital 啦。咁咧我哋嘅 capital balance as at 1月咧，我哋1月1號嘅 balance 係1240000啦，加翻今年嘅 net profit 係456,000，12400加456,000，1696000啦。再減翻，係啦，關鍵嚟啦，drawings 記得你要將兩個數加埋一齊啦。drawings 佢喺 bank 度 draw 咗一次嘅240,000加翻 draw 咗 inventory 8500，唔係 inventory draw cash 240,000加8500，減翻325,000，1696000減呢一個，咁你就會計到1371000啦，就係咁啦。我好感動啊！你見到我寫到後邊咧，已經冇力再寫啲字勁核突，就係咁。咁所以咧，佢比起之前咧，如果你有做過by topic incomplete 咧，你會發覺呢一條咧已經簡單咗好多噶啦。咁就係咁樣啦。